Why haven't you bought this yet? So cheap. Basic. Quality of this is just ridiculously bad. Do I hate it, or is it that ugly that I love it? Hello, how are you today? I'm fantastic. Okay, are we ready? Are we ready? Today, as you can probably already read from the title, we're going to be looking through Ikea, and I'm going to be telling you the best and worst items, like what you should buy and what you shouldn't buy as an interior designer who does this for a living. And I done one further. I actually went to the store to see these items in person. So I knew that I was giving you a 100% analyzation of these pieces. So without further ado, let's just jump into this. Also, my hair is booked in for an appointment in the next few days, so you have to look at this mop for much longer and it'll be nice and tidy again, so. Okay, so we're just in Ikea. let's have a look first. So how I structured these videos is we go in, we look through some of their products, anything we like we add to cart, and anything we don't add to cart, and then we review at the end. See, I am just not a fan of this style of decor. I feel like it's had its moment and we've all moved on. So it would be nice just to move on and not linger on it, because I don't think we need bases on everything anymore. Now, I will say, the lighting slapped in Ikea the last day. Like, oh my goodness, the lighting was just like phenomenal. It was so good and also so affordable. Oh my goodness, I couldn't even get over it. I hate this. Don't buy that, because that's ugly. I don't know about this one. I feel like the whole cage thing has kind of had its moment, and I mean, the quality looks nice. It's a very simple design. I feel like we'll go with a lot of different interior styles. So I think in that sense, if you like it, go for it. These right here, I don't want to see you go near them because they just look so cheap and so tacky. Anything that kind of like bars, like geometrically kind of like that kind of a cage style, just avoid. I think this looks a lot better. It's a lot simpler. It goes with a lot more different styles. What is this? Don't go near these. Okay, do not go near them. Oh my goodness, they're awful. I feel like sometimes just some things just look what is that? No. Unless I feel like it could work in certain spaces, not a typical home. I think this house needs to be more, Georgian in style to kind of contrast it and just make it a bit more exciting, because at the moment it just looks like building blocks with a light emitting from behind it. So in that sense, I probably avoid that. Basic. I feel like Ikea is good for the basics, and to be honest, if I really needed something basic and I wasn't a stickler on the quality, I'd go to Ikea and get it, probably. But I like the quality. That's why I don't really shop in Ikea a lot, because I do like the quality of things. I saw this. This is a lovely couch in person, and it comes in a beautiful lighter color as well. It's a lovely couch. It's comfortable. I'd say get it. See, none of this excites me. And I get it's Ikea. Probably shouldn't. The actual showroom is a lot more exciting. This, do not get. I know it's a best seller, but the quality of this is just ridiculously bad. It literally looks like plastic, and it's not cute in person. Take it from me, I saw it in person. It just isn't. It's just not it. I would strongly avoid that, because I'm sure you can find something similar that's nicer, maybe for €100 more. But I think it's worth spending a bit more on something that actually looks nice and feels nice and the doors open nicely, instead of something that's cheap but it's just rotten. Like, see, my main thing with Ikea is it's just the quality of everything. Like, it's very, affordable. Oh, what's this? Drawer font. Well, now, I tell you something. I never saw this before, and I think I will be ordering this because I'm doing a project at the moment where this could come in really handy for. Wow. Also, these desks, I wouldn't even bother with them unless you're on a really tight budget and you needed a desk. They do have some cool ones, but this and that aren't it. They're very cheap looking in person, and I feel like they're very, not sturdy, so if you're riding on it, you're going to get a lot of movement. And try Amazon. I'm sure you can find a nice one in Amazon. Do I hate it, or is it that ugly that I love it? No, I think I hate it. Yeah, no, I hate it. Yeah, I hate it. I feel like the concept was there, but just wasn't executed properly because, oh! Let's review what I would pick up because that's the only part I care about. There's too many things in IKEA that I wouldn't recommend, that I think I just want to focus now on the things I would recommend, because let's be honest, is that not what you care about? Or just want to watch me sit here and bitch about IKEA for another 20 minutes? It's up to you, let me know. I might film a part 2. So let's jump into the best items. So the Ikea frames, low-key, I'm kind of obsessed. They have some really nice frames in such a wide variety of different colors and finishes, and I really like them. Also, this chair here, Farlove, €750, and I think I'm in love with it. It looks extremely comfortable. I feel like it would go with such a variety of different styles, a variety of different colors. It comes in that like kind of off-white color, and it comes in that darker color as well. I just feel like you could easily add your own personality into this, which I really like. Definitely recommend the Farlove. The lighting, to be honest, like it really slapped. I was obsessed. It had so many really cool pieces of lighting, like very on style, in trend, on trend, in style, on trend, and a wide variety of different finishes, and really affordable. Like, I don't even think you understand how affordable IKEA lighting is for that type of lighting. You know, really impressed. Also, I saw this beautiful dresser unit, and they had done it with a light overhead, and it just shows you the difference lighting makes to a space. Like, you can really accent something and highlight it when it's placed correctly, and this unit was so nice. And also, the cool thing about this unit is you can completely customize it to your own specifications. You can do glass, you can do plain, you know, wood panels, and you can do a few different kind of, instead of having 2 panes, you can do 3 panes. Really cool. Or even like in a dining space, you know, you can have all like, you know, artwork and kind of things placed in it. It just really adds a nice effect, I think. And I really like this, and it really drew my attention in. When I saw it, I just was like, where do I pick these up? Because I would like to buy it, but I didn't. Love the lights. Also, side notes, the lights on top don't come with this unit. I think these are probably my favorite that I've seen in IKEA. I just love these coffee tables. I love the kind of shape of them, the color of them, the feel of them. They feel nice, they don't feel cheap, but I just love that kind of eye shape. Really nice. Also, guys, this little media unit, I was obsessed. Really nice. It had these really nice doors that kind of folded in, and you can pull them back out. Genius concept. And for the price point, I think it's very good, because normally things with mechanisms are insanely expensive. So I do think this is a fantastic piece and a fantastic quality, to be honest. I really liked how it opened and closed. It was really nice. It didn't feel like it was going to break. It felt like I gave it a good, you know, pull and a close, and it wasn't going to break. And the color is fantastic, the shape is fantastic, the size of it is perfect. If I was to be buying from IKEA right now, which I am for a project, I would definitely be buying from the Stockholm collection, because I just think that the style is just so timeless, and I feel like, yes, it mightn't last long because it's IKEA. You might get maybe 2, 3, 4 years out of it maybe before it starts kind of chipping and, you know, just feeling kind of whatever. But for the price point, it's not, you know, too extreme. Now, to be honest, there is really nice side tables and coffee tables for a similar price point. Now they are, sorry, dropped my arm. They are like a tiny bit more expensive, but I mean, you're paying for the quality. So I feel like, again, I prefer to pay a bit more for the quality. At least then I know that it's going to be fine for the next 10 years, 15 years if you want. This wardrobe, oh my goodness. I can't remember what the price of it was, but I'll have it up on screen. This was beautiful, oh my goodness. The kind of bifold mechanism and the kind of slatted V paneling on the front. The colour, how could you say no? It was beautiful, perfect. $350 for a wardrobe. I mean, come on, that's insane quality, insane value. Why haven't you bought this yet? Go now and buy it, because oh my goodness. Do not buy the Bjorknas. Do not, under any circumstances, buy the Bjorknas, because these handles are cheap. Oh my goodness, when I tell you they are cheap, like they were already like falling apart, and this is just a showroom version of it. Like, come on. I like the shape and I like the concept of it, but I just feel like that is not worth it, because that will break your heart. They will be looking tacky and manky within about a week, I'd say. I'm not even exaggerating, because this is only a showroom. And finally, definitely recommend, well, let me hold back my passion on this one, because the flowers are a bit confusing. Some of them are, like, they're all lovely, and some of them are really good value for faux flowers, but also some of them were cheap looking. So don't get too excited just yet. But I did pick up a few. I'm not going to lie, I did pick up a few, and I am obsessed. So yeah, definitely recommend the flowers. But that's it for me today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this. Please let me, this is my business card. What's this doing here? I don't know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you would buy from this list, what you'd also avoid. Did you like my picks? Would you like to see a part 2 to this? And if you have any other shops that you'd like to see me do this to, let me know, because I'd love to. I really enjoy going to Ikea, because I was going up to source for another project, so I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. I was going to film this video like a couple weeks ago, but I said, you know what, I'll probably be going to Ikea in the next few weeks, so I'll hold off until then. At least I can test furniture for you. But if there's any other stores that you'd like me to go into and be your own personal shopper, do let me know, and I'll try to make it happen. I'm just very busy at the moment, so like, yeah, anyway, before I go into a rant about my life, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.